Good morning. Today is June the 5th, 2019. It is Wednesday, and it's roughly 10 a.m. in the morning. We are looking over, we're getting finally sunshine today, which is nice, and the clouds are starting to break up, but over to the north, southwest, I should say, is by the Ikertone, Blue Mountains is a little bit of overcast, but over here, you will see the lilacs in bloom and a huge rock with beautiful, looks like crab tree, a beautiful pink magenta crab tree. Zoe and Jane here, as we were discussing yesterday about the quarking convergence in the plasma, different forms of plasma, esoteric plasmas and ions and quarks and all the different energy fields. Today I learned something on nature.com regarding quantum jumping in order that they can stabilize the quantum field. Now this is really amazing. The quantum field really has to do with the proton, because really there aren't 3 degrees of atoms, there are 2, and the one neutron is probably the dark, now they say it doesn't exist, dark field or dark mass or dark black, what do they call that, the dark field? I can't remember the name of it, but anyway, whatever it is, I can't remember because there's a lot going on around me right now. Oh, there, okay, great. There's a lady coming in on her stand-up board, paddle board, and that's great, so she's good. Good, she must have been way out there around the lighthouse. People do that, they just go everywhere. It's really neat. It's a little choppy out there, so you have to watch which way you go. Pretty strong on your paddling, that's for sure.